So the new tuple will be apple, banana, cherry, orange. Next one is to remove items. As we know that tuples are unchangeable, so you cannot remove items from it, but you can use the same workaround as we use for changing, adding tuples. So same process to add items. We use the same process to remove items. You can see in this example, this tuple contains apple, banana, cherry, and y is equal to a list. This tuple we change into a list, then we y dot remove apple, so we are removing apple from the list, then we are changing the list into a tuple, and the output will be banana and cherry since we removed apple. Now the same thing, you can delete the whole tuple, but when we print they will not show because this tuple no longer exists. The next one is unpack tuples. When we create a tuple, we can normally assign values to it. This is called packing a tuple. For example, packing a tuple means fruits is a tuple containing the items apple, banana, cherry. The output will be apple, banana, cherry. But in Python, we are also allowed to extract the values back into variables. This is called unpacking. Example, we can see unpacking a tuple. Fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. Green, yellow, red is equal to fruits. Fruits tuple. Okay, so we are giving the values of green, yellow, red to the fruits tuple. So so the green will go to the apple, yellow's value will go to the banana, red value go to the cherry. So when we print green, you get the output as apple. When we print yellow, it goes to the banana. Print red goes to cherry. Now using asterisks. If the number of variables is less than the number of values, you can add an asterisk to the variable name and the values will be assigned to the variable as a list. For example, assign the rest of the values as a list called red. Fruits is a tuple containing apple, banana, cherry, strawberry, raspberry. Green, yellow, red equal fruits. So the green, yellow, asterisk red is equal to fruits. So when we give green means the value will go to the apple, yellow banana, then we have cherry, strawberry, raspberry, which is more than the variable in fruits, more than the variable because red is one variable and this is three items. So when we add asterisk to red, all these three items will go to red. So when we print green, it goes green goes to apple and yellow goes to banana, red the remaining three cherry, strawberry, raspberry. Now it's the same thing. So we can see another example. Fruits equal to apple, mango, papaya, pineapple, cherry. And in this situation, we are giving tropic asterisk. So the green goes to apple, index number, so apple. Then comes asterisk tropic, then red. The red is given, so the red will goes to the last index number, that is cherry. So the value of red will be cherry. The tropic will be the remaining between items from apple to cherry. So it will be mango, papaya, and pineapple. When we print green, you get apple, tropic, mango, papaya, pineapple. When we print red, you get cherry. And the next one, we can see loop through a tuple. You can loop through the tuple by using a for loop. For example, I iterate through the items and print the values. So this tuple equal to apple, banana, cherry. For x in this tuple, print x. So apple, banana, cherry. We are using a normal loop. Now in the next one, loop through index numbers. So you can also loop through the items by referring to their numbers. So use the range function and the len function to create a suitable iterable. So print all items by referring to their index number. So we write this tuple equal to apple, banana, cherry is a tuple. For I in range, length this tuple. For print this tuple I index number, with the index number 0, apple comes, then comes 1, banana, 3, cherry. Next one, using a while loop. You can loop through the list items by using a while loop. Using the len function use the len function to determine the length of the tube. Then start at 0. Loop your way through the tuple items by referring to their indexes. Remember to increase the index by 1 after each iteration. For example, we can see print all items using a while loop to go through all the index numbers. This tuple is a tuple containing apple, banana, cherry, and we give the i's value as 0. Then we write while I is less than len this tuple. We are starting the while loop. then print this tuple I with the index I. So I is, then after that I is equal to I plus 1. So when we work out this program, you can see I is 0. So 0 less than the length of this tuple. When you can count, there are 3 items. So 0 is less than 3. So print 0 index item. So apple comes, then we add 0 plus 1, 1. 1 is banana. Banana is index number 1. 1 is less than 3, so it prints 1, so it goes banana. Then we add 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 comes cherry. Cherry 2 is less than 3, so print this tuple with the index number 2, that's cherry. Then comes again, then it comes to 3. 3 is less than 3, so it's not so they will cancel the loop, it will come out of the loop, and the loop is finished. Then apple, banana, cherry. Now next one is join two tuples. To join two or more tuples, you can use the plus operator. As we have seen, it's a method to add items in the previous slides. So join two tuples, you will use the plus operator. So tuple 1 is ABC, tuple 2 is 1, 2, 3, and tuple 3 is equal to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Then when we print tuple 3, you can see ABC 1, 2, 3. It goes in the correct order as they are ordered. Now next is multiply tuples. We can multiply a tuple. So we can, if you want to multiply the content of a tuple by given number of times, you can use the star operator. So multiply the fruits table by 2. So in the fruits tuple, we can see apple, banana, cherry. My tuple is equal to fruits into 2. I mean the star 2. Print my tuple. So when we print it, it'll get apple, banana, cherry. Then it will go again apple, banana, cherry, because we are multiplying the content in fruits tuple by 2. And the next one is tuple methods. So Python has two built-in methods that you can use on tuples. First one is count. Count function returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple, and the second one is index function searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found.